Hey there, it's English teacher Linda G with one more holiday song, Deck the Halls. This is a traditional Welsh melody, and the English lyrics were by Thomas Oliphant. He's from United Kingdom. This song was written around 1877, so it's pretty old, over 100 years old. Now, it is based on a Welsh winter song, Deck the Halls, and was given new English lyrics in the late 19th century. It's a lively, festive carol celebrating the Christmas season with a focus on merrymaking and, of course, on celebration. And it goes like this. This is one of the easiest songs. I'm sure you've heard it before. It goes something like this. Fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. All right, let's continue. Let's continue. Pretty easy, isn't it? See the blazing Yule before us. Fa la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus. Fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure. Fa la 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 la. While I tell you of Yuletide treasure. Fa la 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 la. And it goes on with a lot of falalas, falalas, falalas. What do you think of that one? Have you heard of that one before? Deck the halls. I am very curious. If you have, write it down in the chat box. All right. Take care. See you for some more great videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more English vocabulary. Normally, I focus on business vocabulary, but it's a Christmas season. It's a holiday season. Have to have a few Christmas and holiday songs for you.